This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Let's see. All right, I'll grab the heavy side. Thank you. My lovely wife, everybody. I think that'll be high enough. I can do it from right there. Just use a socket on the inside, drill on the outside. I have discovered something. I'm gonna have to go higher. I need to put that sink section back down. I bet you're wondering how am I going to get this off of the top of here. I'm not sure, but I think I'm just going to, I don't know, caveman it and just pick it up and throw it off the side. It's not like I'm keeping it. It'd make a great redneck sled. If you hook this sucker on the back of a pickup this winter after it snows, just cover the whole, holy cow, you could like hold 30 people in here. That's an idea. We'll see. Alright, she's all loose. The question is, how heavy is it? Oh, it's not that bad. But, you know what? I just saw from underneath. I should have taken the door off. So, while it's just sitting there hanging, I'm going to do that. Change out tips here. what they always say. I'm going to use my head. Now, since I haven't seen this yet, I don't know if you could see the position I was just in. That's kind of awkward and a little weird. Okay, everything's off. I think it's time to take the top off. I'm just going to lower her back down, leave the door open, get a hold of it there, shove it over. Maybe. Ah, maybe not. Let's take a look. Caveman strength. Also bad back. Probably not smart. My wife will gripe. Yeehaw. Well, she went from wearing a two-piece to topless. There she is. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a break and get a drink. I'll see you in a little bit.